So, you open ZArchiver, trying to unzip or move a file, and boom, that frustrating message pops up. Access is denied. Annoying, right? Well, don't click away, because in this video I'm going to walk you step by step through fixing this issue once and for all. Stick with me because I'm not only going to show you the common fix, but also hidden tricks most people don't even talk about. By the end of this video, you'll be able to handle ZArchiver like a pro, without ever seeing that error again. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Let's dive in. Now, the first thing you need to understand is why ZArchiver shows access is denied. It's usually not because the app is broken, but because your phone's permissions or the folder you're trying to access isn't giving ZArchiver the rights it needs. So here's the first step. Open your phone settings, scroll to Apps, find ZArchiver, and make sure you've given it full storage permission. If you don't see that option, look for Files and Media, and switch it to allow access to all files. A lot of people skip this, but without it, ZArchiver is basically blind. Stick with me because if this doesn't solve it, I've got more solutions coming. Now let's say you've already given permissions and you're still stuck. Here's a trick that works almost every single time. Instead of trying to access files directly from your SD card or a protected folder, move the file to your main download folder or internal storage first. Why? Because Android now locks down certain directories, and ZArchiver simply can't reach them unless you copy the file somewhere open. So, if your file was on WhatsApp, Telegram, or an external SD card, move it into Downloads, then try again with ZArchiver. You'll see the error disappear like magic. Don't skip this part because I guarantee this is where most people give up too early. But wait, what if you're still facing the error? Don't worry, this next part is where we go deeper. In ZArchiver's own settings, you'll notice an option to choose Default Directory. Set this to internal storage or downloads instead of leaving it blank. This makes sure ZArchiver always knows where to work from and avoids confusion when the app tries to open folders it doesn't have rights to. Think of it like giving ZArchiver its own safe workspace. Once you do this, test again, and you'll notice the error almost never comes back. Now here's a bonus fix that almost nobody tells you. If you're trying to extract a file that's on an SD card and it's still showing access is denied, the real problem could be your SD card's format. Some SD cards use formats that Android blocks write access to. The trick is to move that file to internal storage, unzip it with ZArchiver, and then move it back. Yes, it's an extra step, but it works every time. Stick with me because I'll also share how to make ZArchiver run smoother overall. Another key tip: always make sure your ZArchiver is updated to the latest version. Older versions sometimes struggle with new Android security updates. Just head over to the Play Store, search for ZArchiver, and tap Update. Sounds simple, but trust me, I've seen countless people fix their issue instantly this way. Still here? Good, because I've got one last game changer for you. If none of these worked, uninstall ZArchiver and reinstall it fresh. When reinstalling, accept permissions right at the start. This clears any corrupted settings and gives you a clean slate. And here's something extra. If you often deal with large files, combine ZArchiver with a file manager like Files by Google. Use the file manager to move files into downloads, then use ZArchiver to extract. This combo guarantees smoother performance with zero access is denied messages. So, quick recap. First, check app permissions. Second, move your files into downloads or internal storage. Third, adjust ZArchiver's default directory. Fourth, handle SD card files by moving them first. Fifth, always keep ZArchiver updated. And finally, reinstall if nothing works. Follow these steps and you'll never see that error pop up again. If this video helped you, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Alitech for more simple fixes that save you time and frustration. I've got tons of videos lined up to help you master your apps, so make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and remember, whenever tech gives you problems, Alitech has the solutions. See you in the next one.